Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can sign a document in Acrobat Reader. So firstly what you have to do is just simply download the application from its original homepage. So just simply go to adobe.com and then go to Acrobat. Then over there you can just simply click on download reader because it's completely free for the trial version. You can also get the pro version if you want that. So after the installation is complete, just simply open your Acrobat Reader. Then just simply go to edit, then preferences, then click on signature over here, then click on identities, then click on more under identities, and in identities just simply choose digital ID over here, then click on this plus icon over here. Then if you have an existing ID, you can just simply put that existing ID over here and connect it, but for this tutorial I'm just going to make an entirely new ID. So I will just simply click on a new digital ID, then click on next. Now just simply choose where you want to save your digital signature. So for me I'll just simply go with Windows Certification Store, then next. Now over here just simply enter the details that will be mentioned in your signature. So just simply mention all the details. Now after you have completed the section, just simply hit finish. So just simply hit finish. Now after that we are going to customize the appearance of our digital signature. So for that just simply get an image of your actual signature as a PNG or a JPEG. So let me show you. For example, so this is my signature as a JPEG. So firstly I'll just simply convert it to PDF because that is needed for the Acrobat Reader. So just simply convert it to PDF first. Now after making the PDF, what you have to do is just simply click on more over here. Just simply click on more. Then over here just simply click on new. Then choose import graphics. Then go to file. Then browse the signature that you had saved as PDF. Then click on open. Now as you can see over here, my signature isn't perfect. So just simply make sure your signature is completely perfect. And after that just simply hit OK. Then after that what you can do is just simply click OK over here, then again hit OK. Now just simply close the. Now in order for you to actually make a signature, what you have to do is just simply go to tools, then just simply click on certifications over here. Now a new type of bar will appear over here. Just simply click on digital sign, click don't show this message again, then hit OK. Now just simply make a selection onto a page where you want the signature to appear, like something this. Then just simply choose the signature that you want. Then click on continue. Now this is the basic standard signature, and if you want the customized one, you can just simply click on the drop box and you can choose the customized signature over here as well. And just simply choose whichever you want. Then make sure to log the document because it is a signed document and it's quite important. So just simply log it, then click on sign, then save it to a location, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.